You can breathe.
Oh my Lord, this is not illegal. Is your body cam on? Is your body cam on? I'm all rescued. Male cannot touch me. Keep digging in my neck. Keep going. I'm keep grabbing me. Good beat the Come on. I'm going to see you. You're illegally detaining me. I'm being
Incident overview. State, Florida. Date withheld per privacy protocol. Incident domestic protection order service. Arrest for violation witness drug distribution report.
Here. I'll let them look at that. What's going on?
Okay, she's had a problem with methamphetamine.
Yeah, we work.
For a long time. And I put a monitoring act on her on the 5th, and they sent her home on the 11th. So she's up all night long. My grandson's here from Pennsylvania. He just flew in. He's been here 2 nights and he has not slept. She's walking around the house or she's inside making noise and she don't.
She's using again, or
she's
what?
all high as. So anyway, I went down and put a restraining order on her yesterday. They came and served her and they made her leave. And so she was going all night. I went to her doctor's appointment today, and I came back and she was here and she was totally whacked out. So I let her in to evaluate her situation because she's whacked out. I really don't want her in jail.
How old's the grandson that's here?
He's 19.
Oh, he's an adult.
From where in Pennsylvania?
He lived in Florida, but he just moved to Pennsylvania.
I'm from Pennsylvania.
Port Allegheny.
Okay.
Way out in the boondocks.
By Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No, not by Pittsburgh.
I'll let you talk to her so I
It's
can.
like Allegheny.
like, I don't know. She was acting like, I hate you, you're not a piece of shit. Her like punching bag every day. I'm just not gonna cry about it no more. I'm sick of this shit. It's like, no way this is like.
How long you been clean?
I just got out of the behavioral unit.
You just got out of the behavioral unit?
Yeah. I'm not doing good. I'm like going through a little bit.
What are you going through?
She put me through a Marchman Act for no reason.
Okay.
My nephew's down. My brother's son.
Okay.
It's awkward in here. My dad lives here. She has these guys over, and I don't.
Your dad's here?
Well, yeah, he's living here.
Is he here right now?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I haven't seen him in a while.
Yeah, he was here.
Last time I seen him, they shipped him off to prison.
Yeah.
Is he out finally?
Yeah, he's been out for a good minute now.
Nice. How's he doing? Pretty good?
Yeah, he's actually being a really good dad to me. I'm very happy for him. Yeah, I'm going to stay at his camp.
Where's his camp at?
It's right over by the dollar store.
The dollar store?
Yeah, right behind that one.
Okay. The one over on Yorkshire? This way?
Yeah.
You come out to the road, turn left and go that way?
Yeah, is that legal?
Okay.
It looks like it's kind of like legal, but we're not like there all the time. It's just we started it because I don't know where to go.
Alright, so we got some paperwork to serve you, unfortunately.
I heard. What is this? I just got served something.
Yeah. Somebody already served this to you?
Yeah.
Who served it to you?
I don't know. I'm kind of feeling overwhelmed. I had my dad hold it. It was Schultz. I think his name was Schultz.
Schultz served it to you?
Yes. Oh no, where's Schultz? There's some guy here yesterday.
But what did he look like?
He was brown hair, 40-something.
40-something? Well, I don't think Schultz is that old, so.
Two of this
Mom
guys.
saying she got served yesterday and was removed off the property.
Yeah, she went to the courthouse yesterday and they served me the same day. And I said, okay. They say, well, you got to go to court and then this and that. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, well just hang tight real quick. We'll be right back with you. We're gonna go check.
Okay.
Mom's saying she's already served.
I don't know if my rights. I should get my rights looked into.
Well, no, this isn't a criminal thing. This is.
I feel like I can't say anything to anybody to get help because I'm going to be harassed by something, man. I'm thinking.
This is an injunction order.
Like, what kind is that?
What were you served? Yeah. Well, what were you served with yesterday?
Eviction notice.
With an eviction or an injunction?
Eviction. Yeah, I had to leave the premises.
Okay, but there's a difference between an eviction and a no contact order.
Okay. It was something.
So what were you served? Do you have the
contact?
paperwork?
Actually, my best friend had it. But I had to leave, and I had to come back. My new nephew was here, and I was kind of checking on, waiting for him to get my Suboxone I had left here.
Okay.
And they didn't bring it, so I kind of, you guys bring it? I'm not supposed to be too close to the house. And my mom's like, yes, you are. No, you are. And I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm going to get in trouble. And
So who brought you back here today?
I had this walkover.
Oh, you walked here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my bike, I had a bike and it's on the side of the road by a dollar store. I don't know, the whole tire came out.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's hard to ride and it's not.
That's not your bike?
No, that's Dakota's bike.
Who's Dakota?
My brother's son. Like they just took that room, they redid it. My dad is here. My brother's getting out soon, supposedly. I don't know.
Who's your brother?
Paul Scribner?
Yep.
Yeah, Leskovich just did his, supposedly his, what is it?
Subject
Some-
negative on
yeah,
the warrant.
prison.
I
Oh,
show
he's in prison?
a field
Yeah,
number
he
coming
did it
back
and
from New
violated.
Jersey, but it
I wasn't
doesn't
here
show
at the time,
the
but
status. I'll
it
send
was
it
a
over
message.
your laptop.
Sir, can we help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we need to figure out what paperwork you got served yesterday, because we're here to serve you with a protection order, which means you can't be here. So I want to make sure you didn't get served already, because
I don't know why they
we don't want to
keep
serve you
coming
twice.
attacking.
Did your mom fill out something saying that she didn't want you here?
She's not acting right. I guess so. She likes me. She wants me here. I don't know what she wants me. I'm
Okay, all right. We'll get it figured out for you.
I like PTSD. She attacks me all day.
Well, we'll get it figured out.
Nah,
You're just gonna have to give us a couple minutes.
I'm so scared to even call for help anymore. You
But what
know?
is it that you need help with?
I don't know. This is like this.
What is that? Let me see it. What do you have?
I feel like I'm scared to even talk about it. People gonna yell at me. I don't care. Am I gonna get in trouble for talking about it? You put me in the house. Who has hit their bottom? I do?
No,
I think it was 20 rehabs last year.
Yeah,
Yeah, $20,000 plus money that I don't have.
right.
'Cause I'm a junkie, bad. Just junkie status. I'm really junkie.
Here, hold on to that.
I don't know who you are,
Here, hold on to
but
that.
he looks familiar. My lawyer is Stephen Leskovich, and I'm not that bad of a junkie. I'd never disrespect nobody, and I'm a good citizen, and I do work. What are you laughing for? Is this funny?
I'm not laughing. I'm talking
So-
to your mom.
Well, who are you? Are you
She's
a
with
police?
the she's a clinician with the sheriff's
Do you know
department.
criminal? My dad went to school, actually. I was just... Okay, I'm going to say something. My dad went to school with Sesko.
Sasko.
Yes,
Yeah.
she's awesome. And you know, I don't never seen her. She's cocky attitude. Mom, I hear her.
Well, she works. She's a mental health clinician with
I am mentally
CSU.
not right, and these people are trying. Their mother is not fair.
Were you served yesterday
I was served like 3 times.
for the protection
I don't know.
violation?
It was one of the. I was at my boyfriend's the other day.
Tell them what you told
Yeah.
me before they walked away. You were served paper that you were escorted off the property.
Yeah.
From here?
Yes, and they went to the courthouse in 2 hours. I'm like,
Okay.
my lawyer can't be present or whatever.
Okay.
You know?
All right. So do me a favor. Just put your hands on your back.
On your back for me. Okay. Can I tap for me? What were you doing?
Because you were served yesterday in your violation.
You're in violation.
They said I was allowed to come and get my belongings.
Probably with a deputy, right?
Okay, can I get my, hold on, ma'am, and sir, can I have my lawyer please present? Because I need to talk to you about things. This is not helping me.
Okay.
I just was there. I'm trying to go to my dad's.
Okay.
You guys are arresting me for what?
Violation.
Is it legally? Can I see the paperwork? I didn't even get legal paperwork.
You told me it's with your
I don't know for sure. I don't,
said
you
you
guys,
had it.
how is this legal right here?
Because you were served your
How
paperwork
do you
yesterday.
know? You see it?
Yes.
Can I
We have
see it?
documentation.
Yeah, you were
Can I
served last
see
night
it?
at night.
I was, huh?
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
To the car.
Are you guys gonna attack me?
Come on, we're not gonna do it. Stop.
But I got my rights. I want my lawyer present, ma'am.
Come on.
Please
on.
let me have my
Stand up.
lawyer present.
Stand up.
You guys,
Relax.
I'm allowed. Miss Maris Lewis said to call her.
Okay, listen.
Call her,
we
please.
will
I
when
can't
when you
move. I'm
cooperate with
having
us.
a medical condition,
Okay.
sir. I'm not kidding. My heart is. I have issues right now. Please, please call my lawyer.
Okay, we will get that squared away, but you need to cooperate with us.
No.
Come on, stand up.
Stand
Come
I
on.
want to call my lawyer too.
Come
She
on.
said I had the right to call my lawyer.
Come
no,
on.
I'm not
Come on.
going in without calling my lawyer.
Come on.
No, you guys are legally doing this. Call my
No, we're not.
lawyer.
Hey,
Call my lawyer,
Listen to me.
please.
Stop crying.
I want you to call my lawyer.
stop crying.
Call him my lawyer. I have a right. I know my rights.
We,
I know
we
my
know you
civil
know your
rights,
rights.
sir.
We
Please
know.
help
I know.
me.
Well, you gotta stop
This
crying
is
for me to
not
talk
good.
to you.
Please.
Because the more you cry, the more I'm gonna get louder,
Please
so you can
help
hear me.
me.
So just stop crying real quick, so I can talk to you. I
Please
can't cry
help
to you if
me.
you're
She's
crying
so
and you're talking over
beautiful.
me.
I need your help.
Okay. I will help you.
That's
That's what
I
I'm
want
here
to
for.
be here.
Okay. I will help you. Okay.
Jill is not helping me. I didn't do anything illegal. Please.
Come on.
Call my
Let's stand up.
lawyer.
Come on.
I can't stand up. My feet hurt.
Okay, put this. You had no problem walking
Look at
over
my
here.
bruises on my leg.
Okay, we'll put your foot right here underneath you and let's
Feel
stand up.
my leg go, sir.
Let's go.
Ow.
Come on.
Oh, I'm
Come on.
sore.
Come on.
Ow.
Come on.
Wow. Call my lawyer.
Come on.
Call my lawyer. Call my lawyer.
Call my lawyer.
Call my lawyer. Call my lawyer. You guys, ow, my back is broken. Please stop. Please stop. Call my lawyer. Please, sir, help me. My neck is, I can't breathe.
You can breathe.
Call my lawyer. This is not illegal. Is your body cam on? Is your body cam on? I call Jessica and call my lawyer. This is illegal. This is illegal as You guys cannot do this illegally. A female male cannot touch me. Keep digging in my neck. Keep I'm suing you, bitch. Keep grabbing me. Beat the out of me. Come on. I'm gonna sue you, bitch. When you get in. You're illegally detaining me. I'm being illegally detained.
Reach up and put
I'm
your head down.
No,
Put
I
your
want
head
my
down. Let me
lawyer. Call my lawyer. Call my lawyer. Please help.
Hey, turn her. Come on.
Call my lawyer. Please help me, attorney.
Stop acting like this.
Yeah,
Acting like it. Just get in the car.
Get off me, Free me up if I want the illegally detained. You get sued.
Officers respond to a residential address to serve a court-issued domestic protection order. Upon arrival, they discover the named respondent already present at the protected premises, constituting an active, documentable violation of a court order. A second legal instrument is referenced the Marchman Act Florida Statute Section 397.6811, which authorizes involuntary assessment and stabilization of an individual who poses a substantial harm threat due to substance misuse. This is a civil mechanism distinct from criminal arrest available to family members and law enforcement alike. A critical legal distinction emerges on camera. The respondent believes she was served an eviction notice under Florida Statute Section 83.56. Officers clarify what she received was a domestic violence injunction under Section 741.3, a protection order carrying criminal enforcement authority. Confusing these two instruments is a common and consequential error. Only the injunction carries automatic criminal penalty upon violation. Under Florida Statute Section 741.306, a domestic violence injunction is legally effective and enforceable the moment it is served on the respondent. The petitioner's subsequent change of mind or invitation to return does not suspend the order. Only a court may modify or vacate an injunction. Officers confirmed the respondent was served the prior day, escorted off the premises, and that the order was filed through the courthouse the same day. Her return to the protected address regardless of intent satisfies the elements of Florida Statute Section 741.314a, a first-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year in county jail. The respondent states she was told she could return to retrieve personal belongings. Under standard Florida injunction protocol, a restrained party may retrieve belongings but only under direct law enforcement supervision with advance coordination. An unescorted, unannounced return does not satisfy this exception and does not negate the violation.
First of all, the mother sells drugs out of the house.
Okay.
Everybody knows that. You guys know that. Because I've been here with 2 years. They come in Tuesday, Wednesday. She goes to Tampa. She gets her pills. They come flying in here, and they sell out of the house. Then the crazy lady comes every now and then when you guys release her.
That lady?
The mother sells drugs out of the
Right,
house.
but the other lady that we were just dealing with?
Well, she's nuts.
Okay.
If you look at her record, she's been finger acted a few times already because they threatened each other. They were ready to kill each other.
Right.
But meanwhile, the mother goes to Tampa every now and then. You come here Tuesday, Wednesday. The cars come in. She gives them their pills and they leave. But this has been going on for years now. The last I talked to you guys were, we have to catch them. But the whole neighborhood knows.
I know.
Degenerates come in.
I know.
Watch, you'll see the little bike there.
Yeah.
That's her family. They come riding their bikes. They come in, buy. Cars come in, they buy. Something's got to happen. My grandkids live here.
I get it. I do.
Someone's going to get shot or hurt. I think
hope
she
not.
got beat up once already, if you look on the records. Somebody came in and beat the hell out of her one night.
All right.
I know you're going to tell
Let
me.
me ask about what you saw.
Huh?
Let me ask you about what you just saw.
It just asks how come all the cars come in and every... It's Tuesday, Wednesday, they come in, they get their little bags and they're gone.
Okay. Okay, but what you just saw us do.
Yeah. Well, she's been arrested
Right.
multiple times.
Did you think any of those officers acted out of...
Oh, no. I would have... Sorry. I would have done worse than you did.
Okay. Yeah.
She's nuts. She goes up and down this block sometimes, half nude, talking to herself, screaming and yelling. I mean, the lady is...
Okay.
She's a drug addict.
Right.
And I'm sure you look up the record. No, you guys did fine. I'm just tired of this house. Somebody's got to nail them and get out of here.
All right. Do you mind if I get your information at all?
Sure.
Okay.
She's not here right now. She'll tell you the same damn thing, but
Okay.
the whole block knows it.
Okay, what's your first name, sir?
Bob.
And you live at this address here, 320 Fletcher?
That be me for 30 years. Worst neighborhood in my life.
Okay. And just to let you know, since you were a witness to what took place.
No, you guys did fine. I would do worse.
Okay.
She's crazy. And the mother is not,
Yeah, I'm just getting some information.
The mother takes her in. The mother sells drugs. Then she runs out of drugs. They fight, and that's what happens.
Okay.
But she's been selling drugs for like 2 years. It doesn't stop. Someone's got to... Like I say, you're not the first one. I knew somebody at... I'll let it go. She's probably going to
All right.
out. But it's got to stop. Someone's going to get hurt here eventually. She's already got hit. If you look at records, she's already got a head
Yep.
beat once.
Yep.
So, it just has to stop. I got grandchildren, children. I don't want to think of it. She gets drug addicts all over the place.
Yep, I get it. I'm sure our secret squirrel unit's aware.
They are. I've talked to them, but what happens?
It takes time. It does. And they get out and they keep doing the same thing over.
Same shit. If you come here during the week and you do a car that is uncovered, you'll see them come in. They pull in. Her, the one who just came out.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. They come out with a bag and go. They come out with a bag and go. So she's supplying them, and then this daughter is nuts. I mean, you can look up the records that I'm not lying. But I mean, this neighborhood's been so good. I've been here for 30 years.
And the last 2 years they've been there.
Oh, terrible.
Okay.
I mean, he's terrible. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
At the point of physical arrest, the respondent invokes her right to counsel repeatedly. I want my lawyer present. Under the Sixth Amendment in Gideon v. Wainwright 372 U.S. 335196. 3. The right to counsel is guaranteed at all critical stages of criminal proceedings. However, this right does not require officers to halt an otherwise lawful arrest to await legal representation. Miranda v. Arizona 384 US. 4361966 requires that rights advisements, including the right to remain silent and the right to counsel, be given prior to custodial interrogation, not during the physical execution of an arrest. Arrest and interrogation are legally distinct stages. Invoking counsel before Miranda warnings are read does not suspend the arrest. The respondent alleges illegal detention. I'm being illegally detained. Under the Fourth Amendment and Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968, a lawful detention requires at minimum a reasonable articulable suspicion. In this case, officers possess documented proof of valid service, a probable cause standard far exceeding Terry's threshold, providing full legal authority for the arrest. The respondent challenges whether the body camera is active. Is your body cam on under Florida's law enforcement agency body camera best practices, and department policy officers are required to activate body-worn cameras during all law enforcement actions, including service of process and arrests. Active recording creates an evidentiary record that protects both the officer and the subject under Section 943.1718 Florida Statutes. The respondent also claims a female officer cannot touch her. This claim has no legal basis. Under Florida law and the Equal Authority Doctrine, all sworn law enforcement officers hold identical arrest authority regardless of gender. Any use of force is evaluated under Graham v's Connor 490 U.S. 3861989, the objective reasonableness standard assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene. The respondent threatens civil suit "I'm suing you" under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. A citizen may bring a federal civil rights action against a government officer acting under color of law for constitutional violations. However, officers executing a valid court order are generally shielded by qualified immunity unless the conduct violates clearly established statutory or constitutional rights, a high standard set by Harlow v. V's Fitzgerald 457 U.S. 8001982. A neighboring resident provides detailed witness testimony regarding an ongoing narcotics distribution operation at the adjacent address. The described pattern regular vehicle, traffic packaged pills dispensed and immediately taken, is consistent with the delivery of controlled substances under Florida Statute Section 893, 131AA, second-degree felony carrying, up to 15 years imprisonment. The witness describes a recurring pattern. The operator travels to Tampa to acquire prescription pills, returns on fixed days of the week, and distributes from the residence to foot and vehicle traffic. Under Florida Statute Section 893.135, trafficking in prescription medication above threshold quantities constitutes a first-degree felony with mandatory minimum sentencing. This testimony, combined with observable patterns, may constitute sufficient probable cause for a search warrant under Florida Rule of Criminal Procedure 3.19. The witness further alleges that responding law enforcement officers have visited the address and departed with bags. If substantiated, this implicates Florida Statute Section 112.313 Public Officers Code of Ethics, as well as federal obstruction statutes under 18 U.S.C. Section 1510 and potential conspiracy liability under 21 U.S.C. Section 846. Officers confirmed their specialized narcotics unit is aware, but no enforcement action has occurred. Key legal lessons. Lesson 2. Invoking the right to counsel does not suspend a lawful arrest. Under Miranda v. Arizona and Gideon v. Wainwright, the right to counsel is fully protected at interrogation, at trial, and at critical proceedings. It does not require officers to delay executing an arrest warrant or a violation arrest based on a valid court order. Lesson 3. Returning to a protected address violates the injunction regardless of the petitioner's invitation. Florida Statute Section 741. 306A is unambiguous. The order binds the respondent, not the petitioner. The petitioner cannot waive criminal liability on behalf of the state. Only the court can modify or lift the order. A petitioner's invitation to return creates no legal safe harbor. Lesson 4. Documented specific repeated witness reports of narcotics distribution create investigative obligations. Under Florida law, and departmental policy officers who receive credible specific evidence of ongoing drug distribution are obligated to document the report, refer it to the appropriate specialized unit, and follow up. Failure to act on documented knowledge may constitute a supervisory breach and potential civil liability under Section 1983. Lesson 5. Body camera footage is a legal instrument for all parties. Bodycam recordings are subject to Florida's Public Records Law Section 119.07, may be subpoenaed in criminal and civil proceedings, and can be requested via FOIA. Subjects, witnesses, and officers should all operate under the assumption that footage is being recorded, retained, and potentially disclosed. Statutes cited. FLA. Stat. Section 741.3, Domestic Violence Injunction for Protection FLA. Stat. Section 741.314, a criminal violation of injunction first-degree misdemeanor FLA. Stat. Section 397.6811 Marchman Act Involuntary Substance Abuse Assessment Flaw. Stat. Section 83.56 Residential Eviction Procedure Flaw. Stat. Section 893. 131 A Delivery of Controlled Substances Second-Degree Felony Flaw. Stat. Section 893.135 Drug Trafficking Mandatory Minimum Sentencing. Case law cited. Terry v. Ohio, 392. U.S. 11968 Lawful Detention, Reasonable, Articulable Suspicion, Miranda v. Arizona, 384. U.S. 4361966 Custodial Rights Advisement, Gideon v. Wainwright, 372. U.S. 3351963 Right to Counsel at Critical Stages, Graham v. Connor, 490. U.S. 3861989 Objective Reasonableness of Force, Harlow v. Fitzgerald, 457. U.S. 8001982 Qualified Immunity Standard. Federal statutes cited: 42 U.S.C. Section 1980, 3 Civil Rights Action under color of law, 18 U.S.C. Section 1000, 510 Obstruction of Criminal Investigations, 21 U.S.C. Section 1000, Haver 4. Section 846 Drug Conspiracy Liability Flaw, Stat. Section 112.313 Public Officers Code of Ethics Flaw, Stat. Section 943.1718 Law Enforcement Body Camera Standards Flaw. Stat. Section 119.07 Public Records. FOIA Disclosure.